Here's a glass of beetroot carrot punch, guys. After the intro, come along and I'll show you how this is done.
Very entertaining.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big batch.
Here's the carrot and the beets. I'm going to go ahead and put it to cook. So here I'm cooking the carrots and the beets, and I will be cooking it until it is tender, nice and soft, and I'm going to blend. And I'm using the water that I cooked the beets in to do the blending.
Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC, clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share!
Here I have Ray and Nephew rum, and I will be adding about a cork full to my punch. Here you go, you can add more if you like. Beautiful texture, guys. Look at this beetroot carrot punch. Please remember to like the video, and if it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel, touch my notification bell so you will not miss out on my next upload. Thank you so much for your support. Be kind to yourself, so you know to show kindness to others. Walk good, be good, do good, and good will always follow you.